Today I'm showing you how to fix Windows Update errors on Windows 10 and 11. If you're getting 0x error codes and can't update Windows, this tutorial is for you. Follow these steps in sequence for the best results. Let's get started. Step 1. Delete Software Distribution folder. Type File Explorer in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on This PC on the left side, then open your C drive. Navigate to the Windows folder. Scroll down and find Software Distribution. Double-click to open it. This folder contains leftover update files that can cause errors. Press Ctrl-A to select all files, then press Shift-Delete to permanently remove them. Click Yes to confirm. Step 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Close File Explorer. In the search bar, type Troubleshoot and open Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click on Run next to it. The troubleshooter will detect and fix any Windows Update problems. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once complete, restart your computer. Step 4. Configure Windows Update service. After restarting, press Windows plus R to open Run. Type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, press W on your keyboard to jump to services starting with W. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click on it. Make sure the service status shows running. If not, click Start. Set the startup type to automatic or automatic delayed start, never manual or disabled. Click Apply, then OK. You can also right-click the service and select Restart. Step 5. Enable Background Intelligent Transfer Service. In the same Services window, scroll up and find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it. Make sure it's running. If not, click Start. Set Startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Step 6. Check for updates. Now type Windows Update in the search bar and open Windows Update Settings. Click on Check for Updates. Windows should now download and install all available updates without any errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Windows Update errors. Your Windows 10 or 11 should now update normally.